I was this close to failing college, not because I wasn't smart, but because I was trapped in a cycle of lust, guilt, and endless scrolling that no one talks about. Every night was the same battle, textbooks on one side, temptation on the other, and I kept losing. You ever felt that? When your brain knows what's right, but your body just doesn't care? That was me. My days were drained, my focus was gone. Each failure felt heavier than the last. Until one night, after bombing a midterm I swore I'd crush, I realized something brutal. That test wasn't just a grade, it was a mirror, a reflection of every broken promise I'd made to myself. And in that moment, I had two choices: escape again or finally change. See, I used to think I had a lust problem, but I didn't. I had a dopamine problem. My brain was hijacked, addicted to easy rewards, quick hits that felt good for seconds and destroyed my drive for days. Sound familiar? That's not weakness, that's wiring. So I built a plan, 21 days to fight back. Not a magic trick, not some detox fantasy, a neural reboot. 3 weeks to reprogram my brain for control, focus, and discipline. Here's exactly what happened. This week hurts, bad, because comfort doesn't let go easily. Step 1, eliminate triggers. I installed brutal website blockers, the kind you can't uninstall. Studied in public places where temptation couldn't reach me. Step 2, redirect energy. Every time the urge hit, I trained. Push-ups, runs, cold showers, anything that replaced reaction with action. You're not killing desire, you're reshaping it. You'll feel restless, foggy, even angry. Good. That's your brain detoxing comfort. Don't quit. That pain means your control's coming back. Now that the fog lifts, it's time to rebuild discipline. Start with 10 minutes of mindfulness. When a trigger hits, pause and breathe. It creates space between impulse and decision. That tiny pause, that's where self-control lives. Then, journal your triggers. Every urge, every time, write it down. You'll start seeing patterns, and once you can name your enemy, you can beat it. Now comes the test. Your brain feels stronger, but this is where most relapse. Start visualizing your future self. Picture the version of you that's disciplined, focused, unshakable. Every morning, remind yourself, that's who I'm becoming. Then learn to surf the urge. When it hits, don't fight it. Observe it. You'll see it rise, peak, and fade. That's proof you're stronger than your impulses. By day 21, something wild happens. The fog is gone. Your confidence returns. You can focus for hours. And the best part, you respect yourself again. Because you didn't just break a habit, you built a foundation. This plan isn't easy. It demands every ounce of honesty you've got. But if you follow it, if you give yourself 21 days, you won't just beat lust, you'll rebuild your discipline. And that changes everything. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Drop a day 1 complete in the comments, and let's see how many of us rise together. The war isn't against lust, it's against comfort, and the only way to win is to fight back every day.